Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover data types, concatenation and taking input from the user in Python. So the different data types in Python are string, in which we can enter alphabets like A, B, C, D. So next we have integers, in which we can enter numbers without a decimal point like 4. Now next we have floating point values, which are number with decimal points. Like this. And next we have booleans, in which we can see if it's true or false. Let's say boolean true or false. So now if you hover your mouse cursor over this, it says this is a string and this is an integer, this this is a float, and this is a boolean. So now next we're gonna go on concatenation in Python. So let's say we have two strings, string 1, which is ABCD, and string 2, which is EFGH. So now if you want to print ABCD, EFGH, we have to use concatenation. So we need to print. So we take string 1 plus operator and string 2. So this would add both these strings and we would get ABCD, EFGH. So this is concatenation. Lastly, I'll show you how to take input from the user. So in Python, there is an inbuilt function called input. So we can see over here input. So if we press on tab, it auto completes the function for us. So in input, we can ask the user to input anything, such as enter your name. If we run this, it says enter your name. We'll enter our names. So let's say it's James. Now this program just ended as this is what you have written here. And we can also keep variables in this. So let's say name is equal to input enter your name. Now I want you to use what you have learned before and try to make a program which asks the user to enter their name and their age, and at the last it'll show your name is this and your age is that. So this should take a couple of minutes and you'll see my solution in some time. Alright, so first we need to make a variable name. In that we'll input enter your name, age, input enter your age. Now we will uh, print this, print your name is if we run this, we can enter a name Harsh, age 25. It says our name is Harsh and our age is 25. So now the last thing. Now let's say I make a calculator. So number 1, input, enter number 1. Number 2 is input, enter number 2. And we just print this number 1 plus number 2. If we run this, enter number 1, which is 35, number 2 45. We get 3545. As I've told you, if we concatenate two strings, so over here we have assigned the value 35 to number 1, which is 35, and this 45. So if we concatenate them both, we get 3545, which is exactly what you've got here. So to fix this, first we need to find out what type this is. This is an integer, as it doesn't have a decimal point number. So we can cast this from a string to an integer. If we run this 35, 45, we get 80. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.